Hello everyone. If your Doordash account, guys, is currently locked for review, right? Don't worry, guys. You're not alone, and there's actually steps you can take to resolve it. So I'm going to guide you through the steps you can follow to fix this issue and potentially get your account unlocked. So let's get started, guys. So first things first, it's important to actually understand why the account is locked, right? So why would DoorDash lock your account? They may lock accounts for several reasons, right, including security reasons, unusual activity, or a violation of terms. So this review is typically to protect your account from unauthorized access or to basically ensure compliance, right? So if your account was locked, DoorDash will usually send an email with the details. What you want to do is you want to look for an email from DoorDash explaining, guys, explaining why the account was actually locked and any instructions for resolving the issue. It might be in your inbox or spam folder, guys. So be sure to check both. Now, if there are no clear instructions, the best way to resolve this, guys, is actually by contacting DoorDash support, right? To reach support, you just want to open up the DoorDash app or website, just scroll down to the help section. And what you want to do, guys, is you want to select support or customer service. And you just want to explain that your account is locked and you have to provide any necessary details that they may ask. Another thing, guys, is that DoorDash might request you to verify your identity as a security measure. So they could ask for a photo ID, a recent payment method verification, or any other details to confirm that you're the account owner. So providing this information accurately, guys, can help speed up the review process. Then, guys, basically after contacting support and verifying your information, you actually just need to wait for DoorDash to complete the review, and this can take a few days depending on the case. So be patient and monitor your email for updates from DoorDash, guys. And guys, if you don't hear back, okay, within the expected time frame, follow up with DoorDash support, right? Just politely ask for an update and include your case number if one was provided. This can help remind them to prioritize your case. And that's it, guys. By following these steps, you should be able to address your locked DoorDash account and get back to actually using it. So if this guide helps, guys, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Good luck. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next